Now we will go to another one of the most important topics of mathematics, that is square roots. See, generally in our traditional method, how do you find square roots? I will show you later. I will tell you how to find easily. Suppose if you want to find square root of 144, you have to put a dot here and dot here, and some people write some bar here, whatever it might be. That bar or dot is to take nearest square of 1 or 14. So dot is here. So you have to take the nearest square of 1. Here 1 once 1, and you have to get 2 figures down, 4 4, and you have to multiply this 1 with 2, and then what you have to do, you have to write 1 and multiply with 1. 21 once 20, 21 once 21. So it is not possible because there it is 44. Now you have to make it as 22 and multiply with 2. Now this is 22 2's 44, 0. So the answer is 12. Like that you have to do. Suppose if the number of some other, take on some other 361, 1 2, and you have to do like this: 1 once 1, 3 minus 1 2. You have to get down 2 digits, that is 61. 1 into 2 2, and you must be going on multiplying. 21 ones 21, 22 twos 44, 23 threes 69, 24 4, like that. And in the end only, when you multiply 9 with 9, 9 9s 81, 9 2s 18 plus 8 23, 2 6 1 0. So the answer is 9. But this is a very very laborious process. Now I will tell you how to calculate square roots within few seconds, like divisions. Almost square roots are made divisions. We will find it very very easily just by dividing with one number. You can find. I will show here itself. You see, suppose if you want to find the square root of 144, what you have to do in speed math is put a dot here, put a dot here as usual, and as usual 1 into 1 1. Okay. Now you multiply this 1 with 2. This is 2. Now as in divisions, you have to get down only one division. Here you have to get 2 digits, but here you get down only 1 digit. That this 4 you get down and just divide with this 2, and 2 2's 4, and the last number is this 4 is remainder. Here what to do is this 12 is the square root of 144, and there is one more amazing thing. You can confirm whether your answer is right or wrong. You need not go out or see the guide or ask anybody. Here this always the remainder should be the square of the last number. Here last number is 2. 2 square is 4. Suppose you see 169, 9 1. So what you have to do? 1 once 1, and this 1 will become 2, and you get only 6. 2 3s 6, and the last number 9 is remainder, and this see 3 3s 9. So the root of 169 is 13, and it is confirmed. I will show you another example. Suppose 31 36. So put a dot here, and what you have to do now? You have to take the nearest square of 31. Here only 1. After that left side there is no figure. Here also same thing, but here after 1 there is 3. So you have to take the nearest square of 31. So here 5 5's 25. Nearest square is 5 only, because 6 6 36. 5 5's 21. 11 minus 5 is 6, and get down only one figure as I told you, 63, and multiply this with this 5 with 2, it will become 10, and simply divide. 10 6's 60, and remainder is 3, that's 6, 36, and 6 6's 36. So the square root of 31 36 is 56. So just by dividing with one number, by dividing with 10, you did get the answer. So like that, see, amazingly, just by dividing with one number, you can find the square root of any number. Any number, you can just find the square root. Like this you can find the square root. I will show you some more examples. There is no necessity to get 2 digits down, all this headache will be. So just you can forget this method and you can apply this. Anywhere just you can apply like this and you can find it. See, simply you have divided it with 2 and last number is 2, the remainder is 4. Here also you have divided with 2, the last number is 3, you got 9 as remainder. This 9. And here you divided with 10, the last number is 6 and the remainder is 36. Like that you can easily find the square root of any number. So to find the square root you have to learn one more process. If you learn that process also, you can usually find the square root of any 3 or 4 digit number. You see here, that is called reducing method. We call this as reducing. How I will tell you. Suppose if you want to find the square root of 225, put a dot here, put a dot here. And what you have to do? 1 ones 1, remainder 1, this 2. So you multiply this 1 with 2, 2 6s 12. So what is the remainder? 5, but it is wrong. The remainder should be 6 6s 36, but you got only 5, so it is wrong. Then what you have to do is, you have to go for this reducing method. How to reduce? I will show you clearly. This 12 is here, you have divided with 2 6s 12. Now when you did not get the proper remainder, you reduce 1. Instead of 6, you divide with 5. 2 5s 10. So you got 2 and this 5 down 25. So this last number is 5. 5 5s 25. So the answer is 15. So when you did not get proper remainder, you have to go for reducing method. I will tell you one more example. 1 4 4 4. What you have to do? Here is a dot, here is a dot, and you have to find the square root. See, here what to do? You have to find nearest square of 14 now. 3 3s 9. 14 minus 9 5. This is 4 and 3 into 2 6. 6 9s 54 and the remainder is 4, which is wrong, isn't it? The remainder should be 9 9s 81. So you go for reducing method. The 54 here, instead of 9, you divide with 8. 6 8s 48. 14 minus 8 6 and the last number is 4. So the remainder is 64. 8 8s 64. So the answer is 38. So like that, when you did not get proper remainder, you go for reducing method. And there is one more method. If you learn that also, totally you can do the square root of any 3 or 4 digit number. That is like this. Suppose 3 6 1 is there. You put a dot here, put a dot here, as usual, our process. So now what happens? 1 ones 1 and 2. You get 6 down. 1 into 2 2. So now you have to divide with 26 with 2. You cannot divide 2 13s. As I told you, square roots are almost made divisions. In divisions we go up to 9 only. We go up to 2 9s 18. We cannot write 2 10s 20 like that. So you go up to 9 only. Here 2 9s 18. 16 minus 8 8 and last number 1 you get down. Here 9 9s 81. So the square root of 361 is 19. So what you have to observe is, whatever may be the number here, let it be 26 or 261 or 36, anything. When you are dividing with a number, maximum you have to go up to 9. You cannot say 2 10s or 2 11s. So you go up to 9. 2 9s 18. Here 6 minus 8 1, 9 9s 81. So square root of 361 is 19. So previously I told you directly how to do. Now when you did not get proper remainder, you go for reducing method. This reducing method, instead of here you have divided with 6, so reduce to 5. Here you have divided with 9, reduce to 8. Like that you reduce one number and you will get the answer. This is called reducing method. So by using that previous method or this reducing method, if you did not get the answer in the previous method, just you go for reduction, that is reducing method, and you will get the answer.